a God. That doesn't sit comfortably with me.
Why doesn't it sit comfortably with you? Are you saying that things just happened without a creator? Sorry, I'm not sure why it doesn't sit comfortably. I don't understand, sorry.
It's because I have a scientific background, if you like.
Chemistry. You do, definitely. You teach science and things. Yeah, obviously, yeah, that's fine.
So the fact that somebody says something came in effect from nothing, it just doesn't sit with what I know.
So you're saying that it doesn't feel right, or it doesn't feel comfortable to say the creator came from nothing. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
Oh, I see. Okay, fine. So the creator, you're saying you don't believe in a creator because the creator couldn't come from nothing, right? But then surely the universe, how did that come about then? Surely that has to come from nothing then.
That's exactly right. So that happening, if you like, is something that is beyond our understanding. And to say something simple like that there was a God, and it seems to be that each religion has a God, was responsible for this creation, is just...
Doesn't make sense.
Well...
It doesn't sit comfortably.
It defies logic, if you like.
Right. But you see, okay, let me give you 4 pieces of evidence, but surely things had a beginning and somebody or something must have made that happen. Okay, let's give you the 4 pieces of evidence. Okay. Right. There are 4 pieces of evidence and I'll give you the 4 evidence, see what you think. Right, David. The 4th one is the most powerful and I'll leave that to the end. The first one is, I would suggest, cause and effect, which is what you're talking about with the creator, which is also called the cosmological argument, which is saying that everything that begins to exist must have a cause. Otherwise, it would mean that that thing existed and not existed at the same time. Everything does have a beginning, and in fact we now know that even the universe had a beginning, what they call the Big Bang Theory, and we would say the ultimate cause of everything is the creator. We would say that. Now of course the question is, who made the creator happen? Or did he have a beginning as well? What we would say to that is that he's outside our universe, he's outside therefore our space and our time frame. And if he's outside this universe, he is outside our space, our time frame. He may be outside time altogether. If he's outside time altogether, then he doesn't need a beginning. He just existed because time is his creation. Now, one of the things is you could think it's a cop-out. It's an easy excuse. As people say, it's the God of the gaps. You're just feeling, if you can't explain something, just say God did it. Okay. No, we're not. We've got some rationale behind it, and that is this, David. Space and time are linked together in this universe, as I'm sure you're aware.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. It's called a space-time continuum. So physicists say that the beginning of the universe wasn't just the beginning, the Big Bang Theory, wasn't just the beginning of matter from a singularity, but it was also the beginning of the laws of physics, including time itself, which is a very, very strange thing, but that's what the physicists tell us, and that's what the mathematics shows, that the beginning of the universe was the beginning of space and time. What does that mean? Very difficult to understand, but this is what physicists say, and this is what is pretty much universally accepted. Now, the point here is, from a Muslim point of view, or a theist point of view, believer in God, is that a creator who made everything, who made the Big Bang happen, he's outside the Big Bang, therefore he's outside space, and he's outside our time frame, and he could be outside time altogether, which means he doesn't need a beginning, he doesn't have a beginning, he just exists. Time is also one of his creations. If that sort of makes sense. It doesn't prove God exists, but I'm suggesting it